A peaceful home environment is something every homeowner values. Whether you're relaxing in the evening, working remotely, or enjoying family time, unwanted outdoor noise can quickly disrupt comfort. Traffic sounds, lawn equipment, neighborhood activity, and general street noise can easily filter inside, especially through poorly installed doors. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, proper door installation plays a critical role in reducing outdoor noise and creating a quieter, more comfortable indoor space. Why doors matter for noise control? Many people focus on windows when thinking about sound reduction, but doors are just as important. If a door is not installed correctly, small gaps around the frame can allow sound waves to pass through easily. Even tiny air leaks act as entry points for noise. In Pompano Beach homes, ensuring a door fits tightly within its frame is the first step toward improving sound control. The importance of a tight seal sound often travels through the same pathways as air. Proper door installation in Pompano Beach includes high-quality weather stripping and secure sealing around the perimeter. These compression seals reduce air leakage and significantly limit sound infiltration. A well-sealed door creates a barrier that helps keep outdoor disturbances outside. Frame alignment and structural fit. A door that is not level or properly aligned can leave uneven gaps along the edges. Professional installation in Pompano Beach ensures that the door sits squarely within the frame. Precise alignment prevents vibrations and air gaps that could otherwise allow noise to enter the home. Quality materials make a difference. Modern doors are built with durable cores and reinforced panels designed to improve insulation. When installed correctly in Pompano Beach homes, these materials help dampen outside sounds. Solid construction reduces vibration transfer, contributing to a noticeably quieter interior environment. Threshold and bottom seal protection. The bottom of a door is one of the most common places for noise and drafts to slip through. Proper installation includes a secure threshold and tight bottom seal. In Pompano Beach residences, this step is essential to prevent street noise from entering at floor level. Reducing vibrations through secure anchoring. Noise doesn't just travel through gaps, it can also transfer through vibrations. Professional door installation in Pompano Beach includes securely anchoring the frame to the surrounding structure. This reduces movement and helps limit vibration-based sound transmission. Supporting a more comfortable home. Less noise contributes directly to improved comfort. Pompano Beach homeowners who invest in properly installed doors often notice a calmer indoor atmosphere. Conversations become easier, sleep improves, and living spaces feel more peaceful. Enhancing home office productivity. With more homeowners working remotely, quiet spaces are increasingly valuable. Properly installed doors in Pompano Beach homes help reduce distractions from outdoor sounds, making home offices and study areas more productive. Long-term performance and value. Correct installation protects both performance and durability. By eliminating air gaps and reinforcing structural stability, professional door installation in Pompano Beach helps maintain noise reduction benefits for years. A practical upgrade for peace of mind. Outdoor noise may be unavoidable, but its impact inside your home can be controlled. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, proper door installation offers an effective solution for reducing unwanted sound. Through precise alignment, secure sealing, and durable materials, professionally installed doors create a stronger barrier between your home and the outside world. The result is a quieter, more comfortable living environment that supports relaxation, productivity, and long-term satisfaction.